First thing we need to do is once you're in the class that you actually want to submit your discussion post, you want to click on this. It goes for the phone and on the computer. And once you're on the assignment that you actually want to submit, I'm just going to go to random assignment. You can actually see when we click on this assignment, we can scroll to the very bottom of the assignment. Like, here's how to create a discussion post. Now, the first thing you need to do is once you're on the class or assignment that you actually want to submit a discussion post to, you can actually see on some classes there will be a tab called discussion in the left hand of this. If we click on it, you'll be brought to this page right here where you can actually click on the assignments that do have discussion. Keep in mind, not all of them do. And when you click on this assignments, you can click on respond. You can actually write a paragraph or add an attachment of an image or video to the discussion post. And once you do that, you click on respond. And the second way to actually do this is you can actually go into modules. And once you're on the assignment that you want to add a discussion post of, you can actually see if we scroll to the bottom, in some assignments there will be a tab called discussion post down here, but there will be a tab called discussion post that you can respond or reply.